Hey y'all, welcome to the third episode of Transforming My 4-Year-Old's Bedroom. Today we are doing the DIY chalkboard wall. Let me tell y'all something, this was not easy, okay? To say the least. I did have a few hiccups, but nonetheless, I got it done. So right now, I'm just taping off the square because I want this as centered as possible. It still came out crooked, and that's fine. The main character of this project is the chalkboard paint. I got it from Sherwin-Williams, and it actually turned out great. You do have to apply a few coats, but while that dried, I worked on my letters that went above the chalkboard. Both the letters and the paint did come from Hobby Lobby. The bright pink acted as a base for the letters, and then when that dried, I applied the glitter, and it came out like this. So I did have to go back on this chalkboard and make it longer because I'm not gonna lie, I messed up. Okay, I messed up and I was trying to cover it up. So nonetheless, I went back in and I covered my mistake. After that, I began applying my letters. So y'all, this was the hard part because these letters were thin as hell. So when I went in to nail a few of them, they started moving around, and look at my face. Yeah, scared and disgusted. But what the Bible say? Where there's a will, there's a way. Okay? And we made a way. We fixed that issue and we moved right along. Baby, at this point, I was tired. Okay? 2 days later, we came back to the project with a border. I got this gold peel and stick border from Amazon. I love the fact that it's gold because it breaks up the pink in this room. It's a lot of pink going on. I added these flower decals to the top because I thought it needed something. And it actually turned out really cute. After this, I seasoned my chalkboard once again because I feel like that's my favorite part. I forgot to insert the clip of me putting that little chalk basket on the side for her chalk to go. I love the way the chalkboard turned out despite the hiccups. We hope you guys tune in for the fourth and final part. Bye!